Hello!
Hello!
Welcome to a new video on the YouTube channel. We know it's been a while. We know in our intro video we promised a video hopefully once a week. But we haven't posted in 3 weeks. But this video should be happy seeing us just eat disgusting some great foods. Snack crate!
Snack crate time!
Yay! Woo!
So, sorry for the lighting in here. We're in a room we don't normally go in. But
My room.
for people that don't know, this is a snack crate subscription I've been getting for about a year now. Every month we get a new box of treats from a different country. This month we already figured out what it is because... Okay, go.
It says good day, so I was the one who figured it out that it might be, that it's probably from Australia. That's probably Australian food.
I think you're pretty good at knowing that. We got Grandma here today again. Today's her birthday. Happy birthday, Grandma. So she's going to do the snack crate with us. This particular box, there's different levels you can get. This particular one I get is the original, so it's like $25 a month. If you guys are interested, let me know. I'll put the link in for you guys to see. And
it's Australia! Good eye, boy! Good eye! We come from a land down under!
So usually what we do is Marky reads the fun facts, and then Malia will be the one that explains all of the
snacks.
Did you brush your hair later?
But I'm just going to say up front, if there's Vegemite in there, I'm not going to eat it.
I watch a few Australian YouTubers. They don't like Vegemite. It's the most disgusting food in all of Australia.
Well, here's the stickers that we get. This is the memento that I keep from the box. And
so we know what we've already done.
And we keep those, and I'll keep them forever. But this is the little stickers that we got. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. A couple of you have asked me when I was doing the next box. We were out of town for the holidays, so it's been here for like a week or so. But anyway, so here we go.
Fun fact.
Here he goes with the fun facts.
The Australian Alps receive more snow than Switzerland each year. The Great Dividing Range runs from north to south, from Queensland to Victoria. Australian wombats are one of the only animals in the world whose poop is in the shape of a cube.
Ooh.
Okay. I was so excited to read that.
That means they have a square-shaped butthole. Like, how do you square?
No!
And now I'm going to have to Google that later.
Oh, yeah.
The kangaroos and emus cannot walk backwards. The animals were selected for the national coat of arms to represent a forward-thinking culture. Australia has the world's longest golf course. The 18-hole par 72 golf course spans 850 miles across 2 states. In 2005, the government issued a ban on saying the word mate at Parliament House.
Very good.
Parliament House. The ban lasted 24 hours before it was overturned.
Wow.
Nothing about koala bears?
No.
Well.
Oh, did you guys hear on a side note that little koala bear that got saved from the fire passed away?
Oh, no.
From his injuries. Yeah.
Oh,
sorry, Malia's grooming herself over here. I don't know why she couldn't have done that before or after, but...
Can I read them until Malia's finished?
If we're not careful, the koala bears are going to become extinct.
Right.
And that would make me very sad.
I bet they are.
They're not extinct yet,
No, but I think
they're on their way.
They're endangered?
Yes.
Right. They're
very
an
much
endangered species.
Okay.
Because their food supply is getting cut off, mostly.
Oh, just so you know, the other fun fact I think we should start doing, buddy, is this. The capital, when the country was established, the population in the area. So just read the capital. What do you think that capital says?
The capital is Canberra.
I think it's Canberra.
Canberra.
I think it's Canberra, but okay.
Canberra, established January 1st, 1901. The
Okay.
population is 25,010,000.
Cool.
The area is 2,969,907 square
miles. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyways, we're doing Australia. I'm kind of excited about this one. Australia is like a bucket list place I've always wanted to visit. Australia and New Zealand. Anyway, okay. So we're with the first one. The first one is Sam Boy. The flavor hits you. Atomic tomato. Crinkle cut potato chips. I'm thinking this is some sort of ketchup thing because I feel like every country we get some sort of ketchup flavored thing. And yes,
spicy.
I think it might be spicy.
Because of a
Mega
Tomato.
tomato hit. Everyone can be hit with their favorite flavor. Okay, go. Sorry.
Australia's favorite potato chips from the 1950s with a tomato flavor that hits hard. The perfect zingy, crinkle cut crisp.
It's not spicy.
It smells spicy.
Oh gosh.
Okay, now listen. Before let me just disclaimer because people enjoy watching this. If anybody on this couch needs to vomit or spit, please do it off camera. Nobody wants to see that. Okay? We go through it every time.
It smells like
The bathroom's not far.
They're tomatoey.
they're good. I just brushed my teeth.
That's gross.
No, it's not that bad. It's tomato.
There you go, then.
They were tomatoey. Maybe that's why, because I do not like tomatoes.
Can you pass me the water?
You haven't drink mine.
Ugh.
Okay. That was not good.
I don't think
Not
it's
my
that
favorite. These kids like it, but I did not.
I hated it.
Okay. Next up is Twisties. Life's pretty straight without Twisties. The cheese looks like a cheesy.
An
snack.
Aussie snack icon
Aussie.
for over 50 years. A corn-based, curl dusted, and tasty cheese.
Aussie, Aussie,
Ooh,
Aussie.
they look like
Oi,
Cheetos.
oi, oi!
Oi, oi, oi,
They look like
Aussie, Aussie,
Cheetos.
Aussie land.
Don't go
They
yet
look
till we
like
all have one.
crunchy.
Don't go yet till we have one.
They look like
I'm
crunchy
smelling it.
Cheetos.
These look like just regular Cheetos. They
It
don't-
looks
said-
like healthy Cheetos.
50 years? Wow.
No.
These are good.
Yeah, those are pretty
I
good.
like these.
No.
I think these taste better than Cheetos.
Yeah, those are pretty good. Yeah.
Really good.
I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not that
No.
great either.
The cheesy flavor
No.
is a little different than Cheetos, but it's good. I don't know what kind of cheese they use, but
I'll eat
pretty
them.
good.
Not
We
artificial.
save the stuff we like
Yeah.
and eat them like over the course of the next weeks or whatever. And then the stuff we don't like, there's a
we
bag here.
throw it away.
The bags are for them to be disposed of. Anyways, those are good.
And like
I'm
that.
keeping those. Okay, next thing. Shakes. Ooh, pizza flavored, oven baked. There's two different kinds. There's a pizza flavor and a Vegemite flavor.
Not giving you that to those. You can have all you want with that.
You gotta taste them as part of the
Oh,
thing.
God.
Biscuit
Either
coated in
you do it
flavors
or
of
you
Mars.
no.
Let Malia talk then.
Shaped biscuit coated in bold flavors of Vegemite and cheese or savory pizza. Oven baked and flavored to perfection.
Okay,
They
so
don't
we're
smell
gonna do
like
the
pizza.
pizza flavor first.
I ain't doing that Vegemite.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do Vegemite first because it's gross.
Well, too bad. we're already-
Exactly.
Ready? Pizza
Dude,
flavor.
Ugh.
Oh, good.
Not bad.
Oh,
like
what
a-
do those taste like?
They don't really taste like pizza, but
Ew, here. That's
Well,
gross.
yeah, now when you chew it for a minute,
Oh, yeah.
I like the bit the after.
on the back
on the back end.
aftertaste.
The back end
On the
of it.
back
then you
end, you
get.
get the pizza flavor.
Okay, guys, here we go.
Oh, I'm
Vegemite. After she said she wasn't gonna do it, I told her she had to. because
Vegemite
of
and
her-
cheese.
No, it's Vegemite and cheese.
Well, maybe the fact that
Oh,
that it has cheese.
Ew. That smells gross.
ew, they.
Oh,
Ooh.
I'm telling you.
That's why-
No.
Vegemite smells disgusting.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Somebody
They
pass.
smell. Oh! Oh! Oh!
I told you.
Oh!
Those are good.
That is so gross.
These are good.
Ew!
You're tripping.
Well, Malia's weird.
Oh,
Lillian's barely on camera.
That was gross.
These are great.
Yeah.
That's not
Okay, so Leah's probably gonna be a fan of Vegemite.
good.
We need to get her some for Christmas.
Oh, that was gross.
Yeah.
Oh, gross.
Ugh.
Bring on the candy.
Oh,
Let's go.
gummies.
This is Alan's. Oh God.
I know, it's bad.
Strawberries and cream, like
Hurry up.
it looked like a gummy.
A
All
soft,
right.
creamy jelly that brings together sweet, ripe berries and thick velvety cream.
Okay, let's
I
go.
think
it's
Hurry,
bad.
hurry.
I'm gonna get that flavor out of my mouth 'cause that was
Oh.
gross.
Sorry,
Okay,
but
ready?
I already did it.
Okay, let's go. It looks like a little shoe.
It does. That's interesting.
Ew.
I have to take more of those.
I'm not really like a cream person. Like
No,
I don't
it-
like
but it doesn't taste like
dreamsicles.
that.
I don't like any of that stuff.
It doesn't really taste like that though.
Oh, it's interesting.
It's not gross. The kids like it.
No.
I don't know about
No.
that.
I loved it.
I don't know about that.
It's not right.
Okay, these little things are called, next up,
Fantails. Smooth and velvety caramels coated with milk chocolate. Agility wrap to take with you anywhere.
there's 4, exactly 4 in the box. Okay, I gotta get that.
Hey, anything with chocolate and caramel can't be bad.
Little-
It looks
Yeah,
like
I wonder if this is what the wombat's poop looks like, because it's square and it's brown. I don't know.
Thank you. Now that I just put it in my
Yummy
mouth.
poop. It just tastes like a caramel.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard.
Oh, they're kind of hard.
It's not chewy caramel. It's like a.
I cut it cold. Oh my
That
god.
all suck a filling right out of your teeth, man.
I can't even speak.
It's like the
It's like jammed in my teeth.
what are they called? The one with peanut butter inside. Is that white?
What?
Abba.
No, this is.
Hand me back. Hand me
Wow.
the back.
They're hard to chew.
Okay.
You guys need to
This
get
is
some.
called-
What's the other caramel and chocolate candy that's chewy that we have?
Walters?
Like Werther's?
Oh, that's what it is.
No, Werther's is one, but I was thinking more of like a. Oh, Rolo.
Oh, yeah, those are softer.
We have Rolos,
Okay.
and they come in a tube thing.
So
They're a little softer than me.
the wombat poop chocolate was a little too hard. Okay, this is called Whiz Fizz. I think it's probably like a pop rock type candy.
Oh no! Is that what it is, Malia? What
I don't know.
what is
Waiting
Whiz
for
Fizz?
Malia to read her.
Whiz Fizz.
Oh.
Oh, it's got. This is like
A
anthrax
fun
in
and
here?
unique experiment. This week, powder fizzes in your mouth for a tasty surprise.
And there's a little stick in here, so. And we're all family, so we can. Oh, it's like a little spatula, whatever.
Okay.
Open your mouth, bud. Ready?
No,
You
I
wanna
don't.
chew first?
Have Malia go first.
Malia's not.
Luckily, we're all
It's not
family.
coming
Come out.
It's not coming out of the little. It's not coming out.
It's
Okay, wait.
It doesn't fizz.
Oh, there it goes. It doesn't fizz?
Nuh-uh.
Okay, well, it looks like powdered sugar. That's the consistency of it. It's like
It
powdered
tastes
sugar.
like it tastes like soda. It's original. It tastes like gross soda.
I don't know if I want
It
it.
doesn't taste like powdered sugar.
Your
Let's just
turn,
put that
Mama.
out there.
It tastes like bad
It's
soda.
kind of sour. It's
It
weird.
tastes like Fanta.
I can't. I don't like Fanta, but and it's like powdery, so it's getting everywhere. Whoa, Grandma's really going for it in there. It's weird.
It tastes like a fruity powder.
Tastes like a bad soda.
Tastes like
Mom,
fruit.
it was in this section.
Tastes like a fruity powder.
Oh, I don't know. Okay, so these.
Wait,
are
I haven't
the
had
ones
it
I've
yet.
before.
I haven't had
What?
this yet.
Okay, so we're gonna do this one now. Oh,
I haven't had the
Okay,
Whiz
go.
Fizz yet.
sorry, I thought Monkey had some. Yeah, see, this is called a messy candy. This is not something that you give children. I'm sorry. If you want it, then you can have it. But
Yeah.
is that a keeper?
Chomp.
Okay, this is called a monster
I mean,
chew.
it's
a
not that
caramel
bad.
chomp.
Oh my god, are we going with chomp?
Chomp bar.
Maybe it's
Caramel
softer than
again.
that other one.
A crispy wafer layered with caramel
Oh,
and
it's
then coated
wafers.
in rich milk chocolate. It's a monster chew.
It's a
Every box we get has a wafer.
It's a
Wafers
I
are
don't
good.
know
Yeah,
why.
over
It's a
It's like our Twix. You know,
And
they all want to copy our Twix.
Give me another piece. That's so
What?
good. That.
No, you gotta wait a minute. We haven't.
It's so good.
Give me the bag so I can put the trash in there. How is this? Let's see.
Oh, that's good.
This is right. I don't like wafer, but that's pretty good.
This is right.
And the racks are all good.
That's good.
I know. That's alright. Chocolate tastes kind of funny.
That's different.
Oh, just what we need. Nestle Milo or Milo, original source of fiber. It looks like a rice
Fiber.
kind of.
Is it healthy?
Malia?
Crunchy cereal pieces infused with chocolate powder, formed into a bar, and then dipped in milk. The perfect on-the-go breakfast snack. Looks like a cereal bar.
It kind of has the consistency of like a Rice Krispie treat. It looks like
Oh
rice.
yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks like a chocolate rice
chocolate
Krispie
Rice
treat.
Krispie treat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Ew.
What? Does it
Probably
taste funny?
because it's healthy.
Maybe.
It's like
It's not as sticky as a Rice Krispie treat.
It doesn't have any
It's like a
flavor.
cereal bar.
it has
Bland.
zero flavor.
There's no flavor.
It's a
Ew.
cereal bar.
Exactly,
Yeah, it's kind of bland.
but
It's
some
like
cereals
cornflakes.
still have.
It's like a rice cake.
Yeah, it's just like cornflakes.
But
Like a
some
plain
cereals still
original
have
rice
flavor.
cake. Nuh-uh. Rice.
Yeah.
That was a waste of a snack, Australia. If you're not gonna have flavor. Ooh, these are called Zappos. A sour watermelon flavor.
No,
Chew.
it's for explosive flavor. Zappo fruit chews will leave you with a sour punch of watermelon that makes your mouth water.
Oh, this is gonna be a funny one. I can tell.
Did you spit back in my water glass?
the
Oh my God! Look at the things
things
floating.
we do in
No.
the.
Oh.
I
No.
didn't do that.
It probably. It might have just been. Maybe you didn't have a clean glass.
Lovely.
Okay, these ones I think are gonna be funny because they're gonna be sour.
Oh.
That,
And chewy.
all you can see is my head right now.
Ready?
Because they
Go.
seem kind of hard.
Ooh, I just licked it and that bitch is sour.
This is a family channel, no swearing. Whoa, that's sour.
It's not horrible, but it is a little sour.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's tart.
I love sour. Okay, that's sour. Everybody on the ugh.
Wasn't my cup of tea.
It's got kind of a waxy
It tastes-
consistency.
Yeah, it tastes good.
so we have two of these.
You have to eat them together. It says.
Oh, a mint patty and the golden rough roasted coconut. But
Enjoy
Melissa,
the
you read it
sweet
together.
combination
Or you read it
of toasted
Read it.
coconut and decadent chocolate and the golden rush and cool white mint smothered in rich dark chocolate in the mint patty.
together. So you eat them together?
But it worked kind of.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but the difference is
And
you eat them
coconut and mint.
together. Yeah, so you have to like
Okay, that
have
kind
to
of
try
got
to
stuck in my throat.
break this. So it, so
That
we
sour.
Look at the
thing.
inside of
apparently
the
you have to
coconut
eat the
one.
pieces together. Like, see
Alright.
how I have them tapped
Yes, yes.
on top of each other?
Yes.
Apparently
Ooh, it
that.
smells like mint.
Yeah, it does.
Mm.
Oh,
Wait,
that's
I'm gonna
like,
try them separate.
that's like a medicine mint. It's not like a happy mint.
No, me and Malia are gonna
Ooh.
try them separately and then together.
It's very medicinally. It's medicinally mint.
That's really gross.
It smells like tiger's bone.
Let's just clear it on our back. Ooh.
If you eat them separately, they're
Yeah.
good.
Oh God.
Well, it said to eat them
No.
together, but
Uh,
that's not a treat I want to.
No.
Oh, you people need our York mint peppermint patties. They're so much better than that.
The coconut.
Yikes.
Australia, what the heck?
It doesn't taste like coconut. First of all,
Yeah,
there was
that?
no
Yeah.
coconut flavor.
There was
anywhere.
And
absolute.
it's not like.
There was
It's like
absolutely
creamy.
zero
It's like the
coconut
texture
flavor.
of it is
It's
weird.
like
Yeah.
Reese's peanut butter.
It's kind
right
of strange, yeah. It's kind of hard.
Ooh, it's.
You guys don't understand. The
Okay.
coconut
Okay.
one had
I need to
zero
rinse my palate for
coconut.
people.
Yeah, the coconut one, I wasn't really feeling
There was
It
no
had
coconut.
zero coconut flavor.
Because I don't like coconut, so I thought
Either
it
way,
was
it wasn't
like
good.
A mound has more coconutty
Okay,
flavor than
We
that.
got 3 left, and the one I'm saving for last. I'll explain why I'm saving it for last, but because I know that one. Okay, this is called Cherry Ripe Cadbury. Oh, Cadbury is usually good.
Australia's oldest chocolate bar, a mix of cherry and coconut covered with heavenly dark chocolate.
Ooh, dark
I
chocolate.
really don't like
Oh, it's
coconut.
gonna be probably my
You don't like dark
favorite.
chocolate either.
I like
I
dark chocolate. I
hate
just don't
dark
like
chocolate.
coconut.
Ooh,
It's probably gonna be my favorite.
that's really
I do not
cherry.
like. Ooh,
The
whoa!
aroma, the aroma
Look
of
at
cherry
the
is,
inside. Look at the inside of
the
that.
aroma of cherry is very strong with this one. You ready? I'm not a fan of cherry.
And me and Malia aren't fans of dark chocolate.
I don't like coconut.
That's not coconut.
It does.
I don't
I
like
think
coconut.
that's what this like. The
Now
mixture
that's
is better.
better. That's better than the other coconut one.
That tastes like real sweetened coconut.
Mhm. Yeah.
I'm not a fan of cherry. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's better than the last one. It's kind of like a Mounds or an Almond Joy with just a cherry
Yes.
flavor.
Yeah,
That's what it tastes like.
absolutely.
A Mounds with, because Mounds is the one without the.
You
Right.
mean
Without
almonds?
the almond.
But that's what it tastes like. It tastes exactly like a Mounds, but with a cherry flavor mixed
This
in
is
there.
right. We can stop with that.
Coconut is gross.
That's good.
Yeah.
But I eat that as a
good.
frame.
That's good.
I'm gonna save that last little piece. It's not the wrapper anymore, but that was
good.
pretty good. Violent crumble. It's the way it shatters that matters.
What?
A crumbly, whoa. A crumbly honeycomb toffee standard coated in 2 layers of creamy chocolate.
Ooh, that cherry thing though was I kind of like that.
Ew.
This is a big. Jesus! Ew! Look at me! Stop
It looks like sand. Ew.
That looks like we should be going to the beach with this thing.
It's toffee, it says.
And it wouldn't. It's not very breakable.
Look at the
It's
inside.
like sand.
The inside literally looks like
I don't want
sand.
to think about trying to bite into this. Ready?
It smells disgusting.
Like,
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
Considering
That's
your guys'
wrong.
reactions, I don't
no.
even want to try this.
It
No,
tastes like
wrong.
butter.
It's toffee.
That's not toffee.
That's bad.
That tasted like butter.
It's toffee apparently.
Oh, why did they did that last time? I had this like mouthful of buttery. Oh, it's disgusting.
Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Oh,
That was horrible.
yeah, that was
Oh,
bad. That was
I
rough.
know. So, this is the one I saved for last. This is the last treat in the box, and the reason why I saved it for last is because it's Tim Tam, and I know this is a very, very popular
so
treat in
good.
Australia.
Oh god.
Excuse me. My boss brought these back for us, and he gave us this trick that they do in Australia with Tim Tams. So, and I think you can get Tim Tams here. I think I've seen them in the store.
Oh,
But anyways,
so
it's a
good.
cookie. So basically, what you do is you bite off the corner here, and you bite off the corner here
I've seen
to
that.
make it.
It's like
open.
a straw.
And you put it in your drink, in your coffee, like a straw, and you suck in the coffee, and then you get enough to where you feel it on your tongue, and then you take it off and you bite into it, and it's like a chocolate coffee, or you can use
Well,
chocolate,
I need some
like-
coffee now.
like hot chocolate or whatever it is. But I'm pretty sure these are at the store. I've seen them at the store. You can get them here, but this actually
They're
comes from
also
Australia.
in
So
London.
I don't know if the ones
Oh,
we
yeah,
have here are
in
like
London.
the American
They're in
version
London
of them.
and England.
So anyways, these are called Tim Tams, and I know they're really popular in Australia. But that's a trick that you can do with them if you ever find them here and you want to try
Oh,
it.
these are so good.
You can bite them in. I saved this for last because these are good, and I knew it was going to be good, and I wanted to end on.
Oh yeah,
Ooh.
that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a cookie, chocolate cookie, and it's got like a cream chocolate in the middle of it. And when you pull in the coffee or the hot chocolate, and it has to be a hot drink. It tastes better with a hot drink. And when you pull the cookie off and bite into it, you're getting that warm drink that you like with the cookie.
I saw a
You
YouTuber
can
do it.
probably,
That's
you can
the best.
probably just dip it into that drink as well, but I don't think you get the same thing because it's coated in chocolate, so I don't think it would absorb the drink.
Mom.
That's the best chocolate, other than the other one with the cherry and the coconut.
Yeah, it was
Those
good.
two were the best chocolate.
So-
I once saw a YouTuber try it with milk.
So, Tim Tams are really popular, and I saved that one for last when I saw it in the box because I knew that that one would be good. And I'm pretty sure they sell them here, and that's a trick. My boss brought those to us, and he brought like packages upon packages of them. Like he had them shipped, more packages shipped, and we were eating them like crazy at work. They're so good. Anyway,
that was good.
hey guys, that was the Australia box. Vegemite cheese? No.
Yeah.
I don't know what that sandy
Sorry.
bar thing was. That was gross. That was really hard.
But
That one
I
just
know
ate.
that there are actually
Number one. That's us.
there are actually Australians who aren't very fond of Vegemite. To be truthful, but I know.
These are so good. You guys are
Okay,
funny.
so now what we do is we talk about our favorite and our least favorite. And I'm going to tell you right now, right off the bat, that Gold Ruff Mint Patty combination
Oh,
was disgusting.
Yeah, that was
the
pretty bad.
worst.
Say-
As far as my favorite, I'm actually going to go with these cheesy. These were good.
Yeah.
These were my favorite
Yeah.
thing.
what do you
Right?
think is Vegemite?
huh?
Because I even,
What is Vegemite?
what is Vegemite?
Well, isn't it in here?
My favorite thing was this.
I don't know what the actual consistency of Vegemite is or what the actual thing is. But anyway.
This was my favorite. The watermelon sour thing.
Yeah, those were a little too much for me. Anyways, these were my favorite, and my least favorite was that coconut bar. What was your favorite, Malia?
Oh yeah, the Vegemite and the tomato.
Only Malia would like the Vegemite.
Yeah, this was actually my favorite of the snack,
Those are good.
snackies, the savory snacks. This was my favorite.
These are my two favorites. The watermelon sour and then these.
Cool. All right, guys, that's it.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching and hanging out. And this was the Australia snack crate box.
And we're
I'll put the
still-
link in there.
And we're still waiting for Norway.
Still waiting.
Still waiting.
I'm gonna hold out and keep getting them until I get Norway. I'm assuming at some point we'll get Norway, and maybe we'll end with Norway. It just depends. Because there's another company I want to try, but I can't do two at the same time. Anyway,
Good.
that's it. Australia. Mark's gonna do a spiel.
I love my spiel. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. When you hit the notification bell, then you get notified every time we upload a new video. Hit the like button down below. Leave a comment if you like this. And as well as that, don't hit the unsubscribe button when you're trying to hit the notification bell. The notification bell is so tiny and close to the subscribe button that you might accidentally hit the unsubscribe button.
Okay. Your spiel gets longer and longer every time.
We're still waiting for 25 subscribers so we can do the jelly bean bean puzzle challenge.
Yep.
Peace.
Bye.